Hey guys, what's up? It's Amena.
It's Elias.
So today we're going to be doing our very first Ethiopian mukbang. This morning we went to Desto restaurant and we picked up one of my favorite things, which is the breakfast combo, which is so delicious. So you get 4 different Ethiopian foods. So you get kimchi, onkolal, firfir, and chachapsa. So kimchi is basically like what I think is bulgur in English. I'm not really sure, but I think that's what...
Bulgur.
Yeah, bulgur.
Not bulgur, okay.
Just some bulgur boiled. Is really healthy, and they put a little bit of like salt and maybe butter too. And then the onkolal is just eggs, and it has tomato, jalapeno, onion. The chachapsa is basically just like, it's a bread that they make, and they tear it up into small pieces, and then they fry it in oil, and then they add like berbere and other stuff. And then firfir is literally just injera pieces, you can see, mixed with like berbere and sauce and other spices. So we're hungry. This is our breakfast. So yeah, let's eat.
Okay, I'm gonna use bread. I like
use
bread.
the bread.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I like
Is he Ethiopian or not?
Yes, I am.
Have you ever seen an
100%.
Ethiopian using bread?
I am 100% Ethiopian. And I'm 100% Habesha, right?
How's that?
Right?
Right?
So good.
You can always tell by the way somebody picks up their food with injera. You can always tell if they know how to eat with injera or not.
Yeah, that's true.
Elias is like a master. He can pick up anything with injera. Spaghetti, rice, anything. He can pick it up with injera and eat it.
Because Ethiopian food is by hand. So that's how we grow up.
We eat with our hands in Sudan too, but it's like, I don't know. I feel like you have more skills with your hands.
Yeah, because this thing is so, thin. So yeah, you can wrap anything with this.
That's injera, by the way. We never said that.
Yeah, this is injera. Yeah. So you can wrap whatever you have, like a firfir. We have here onkolal, for example, kimchi. Let me show you how.
Go ahead, show them an expertise wrap.
Let me show you how it's wrapping.
There you go.
So it has everything in here. Onkolal, firfir, and kimchi. Do you see? And it's so delicious.
Yeah. We can't even, like, if you guys know Mark Wiens, everything that he eats, he's like,
Right here is gusha.
Oh, thank you. You always forget to give me gusha.
All right.
Yeah.
Gusha, 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 gusha.
Gusha, 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 gusha.
You like my gusha?
Mm-hmm.
Right here. And
watch this bite. This is going to
eggs,
be a big one.
kimchi and
Master.
some firfir.
Uh-huh.
Gonna be a big one.
Oh my gosh.
It's not big.
Yes, it is. The
Really?
camera makes it look small. But
Really?
It's big, yeah.
Feels good.
It feels good in your mouth.
My mouth, it's like melting. I am already full.
Don't say that.
Why not?
We didn't even eat, eh?
Because I'm drinking water, you know?
Yeah. Don't drink.
When you try the first time to enjoy, it's like a little bit sour, so you may not like it, so you need to
trying.
give the second chance.
Yeah.
We like it, promise you.
What do you think about the food here compared to the food in Ethiopia? Because we just came back from Ethiopia.
The food here is good, but in Ethiopia it's more better and it's like delicious.
Do you think that the food like tastes the same though? The Ethiopian food
No,
here.
the taste is different. They mix in. I think here they mix the American flavor with the Ethiopian flavor, so the taste is good. It's gonna be like different.
Yeah.
When you go to Ethiopia, the taste is completely different. I mean, not like completely, but a little bit different than the one we have here. I like the taste more in Ethiopia. Yeah.
I would have to agree. I mean, I've really only had Ethiopian food here in Dallas. Did we eat in Houston Ethiopian food?
No.
Yeah, so I just had it here in Dallas. But I have to say, the best Ethiopian food that I had here in Dallas was at your friend's house when they cooked. So I feel like the home cooking is
my friend
so
house,
delicious. But I have to agree though, the food in Ethiopia, it tastes better in my opinion. It tastes different for me. I mean, some things even look different, like the chachapsa.
Yeah.
The way that it looks and tastes and everything in Ethiopia is completely different. Even the injera.
Completely different than here.
The injera is like this big in Ethiopia.
Not even like the size, not even the size.
The taste too.
Even the taste.
Yeah.
It's a little bit sour than the one we have here.
Yeah. Overall, Ethiopian food is pretty healthy, but in Ethiopia, all the food there is organic, you know, even when you look at the animals there, when you compare them to here, the animals look really small, but actually they're normal size. It's just that the animals here are like injected with growth hormones and antibiotics and all this stuff to make them super, super fat and like
big house.
Monster animals.
Yeah, the taste is so different.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like the taste of the food itself is just, it's different. And I think it tastes better. And I'm not even saying that just because it's organic. Like you could blindfold me and I would tell you that one is organic and that one's not. You could literally taste the difference, especially in the meat. Which that's what...
Do you remember the burger house?
Yeah, that's what's funny because you would think US is like land of the burgers and the french fries and all that. But we actually had the most delicious burger in Ethiopia.
Wow Burger.
In Wow Burger. Yeah. I wasn't even expecting it. Like it hit us blindsided. Like I was just like, okay, let's try another place. I ordered a cheeseburger. You ordered the...
Something, I don't know.
Wow Special.
Wow Special, yeah.
And then we tasted it. Whew. It was like so delicious. Yeah. Oh my god. I never had a burger that tastes like that. Even a lot of times I would tell you like, is this lamb? Is this lamb? Because I'm like, this is not beef. Why does it taste so different? It tastes so good. Like, but it was beef.
So good. It's really not by name.
Yeah.
Not by name organic, you know what I'm saying?
It's real food. It's not real.
It's not real. It's real food.
It would be my dream job to be able to travel and eat food. Like, who wouldn't want that? But Elias is like, no.
No, I can't.
Why?
I cannot travel for food.
Why?
You know, because I'm not like the person eat everything, you know what I'm saying? I'm so picky, so I cannot eat. Yeah, that's true what you're laughing.
Yeah.
So I cannot eat like anything. So you have to be that kind of person to travel all over the world and try any kind of food. Maybe I can be your cameraman or you know what I'm saying? Yeah. And being with you and travel wherever you go. But I cannot eat all of those food. Can you imagine like sushi? I don't like even sushi, you know what I'm saying? Here in America, they love sushi. I don't even like a sushi.
You have an Ethiopian tongue. That's what I call it. Like his taste buds, the flavors that he likes are Ethiopian. That's
I like spicy.
You're not developed. You know what I'm saying? You're still like a little kid.
I'm eating. You know what I'm saying? No.
you're not
don't say that. You know. I'm eating anything, not anything. I'm eating. Yeah.
But if you could have Ethiopian or something else, what would you pick?
Yeah, definitely Ethiopian. Okay. There is no question there.
Exactly. You don't have developed taste buds. You know what I'm saying? Like you gotta try different foods. Like I can eat Indian food. I can't eat Chinese Indian food. I can eat different types of food because
I can't eat Indian food. Do you remember?
Yeah,
I can't eat Indian food. We ordered yesterday.
I order a lot of food, but you don't eat it.
From Indian restaurant, rice.
Yeah.
And chicken with different sauce,
chicken
like spicy sauce.
It was so delicious.
What is it called?
Chicken tikka masala.
Chicken tikka masala, but I like it. You know, I'm serious. When I start to like
the first time, you like it.
It was like, you know what I'm saying. The sauce, was like nasty, and the more. I'm serious. I mean, sorry when I say nasty. But the more I eat, you know, it's like
the more you like it.
The more I like it. So yeah.
There you go. You can kind of develop different palates, you know what I'm saying? Like, I have a Mexican palate. I understand what that food is supposed to taste like.
For example.
And I can eat
burrito, What?
So big. You know that's not even real Mexican food. That's
Yes, it
Texas Mexican food.
Really?
Yeah.
Texas Mexican food?
Yeah, he likes, that's called Tex-Mex.
But I love it. I love Mexican food because I used to work with a lot of Mexican people and they had a party like almost every week. And they have a lot of like a bunch of food and I used to eat the Mexican food there, so I love it. I love Mexican food.
What else do you love?
I love some of Indian food.
What Indian food have you tried?
The chakalala. Chakalala.
What else? What else do you like? Cereal?
I used to. But not anymore. I used to eat cereal every single day. But I just stopped.
I'm getting full.
There. We almost finished. I'm good now.
Eat, dude.
Bakay.
No. Eat.
Bakay.
Eat. Elias Bella.
Bakay.
Bella.
Anchibi.
Anta Bella.
Umbiya ibalu.
Bella.
Bakay.
No, I said Bella.
Tagawkuኝ. Tagawkuኝ. Nishi.
Actually, Ant.
And what? And min.
Angusha.
She. No. Just this one. I'm so full. Under Gusha, okay. Only under Gusha, okay.
This is. Good job. Go, guys, Elias.
Thank you. Maria ትናገሪያለሽ?
Finish.
ትንሽ? እሺ.
Lemon.
What does it mean?
Why are you asking me?
Oh.
Why are you asking me?
Oh, that's why you say lemon?
Yeah.
Because I just want to talk Amharic.
Yeah.
ጠገብሽ? ጠገብሽ?
ጠገብሽ? ምንድን ነው ጠገብሽ?
So funny. Are you full?
Oh.
ጠገብሽ?
ትንሽ.
ትንሽ?
አዎ።
በጣም ጥሩ።
አመሰግናለሁ. I'm having a conversation.
Yeah, you're right. በጣም ጎበዝ በሆነ ጨርሽ እሺ?
Mio.
Lemon.
Because that's too much.
Speak Amharic! ጨርሽ?
Mio.
Lemon.
Mio. Full. I don't know. I can't even think of how I would say that. Talk to them in Amharic while I finish this.
ብዙ ኮሜንት አይቻለሁኝ እሷ የምትሰራቸው ቪዲዮዎች ላይ እና ለምንድነው አማርኛ የማትናገረው? በኢትዮጵያነቷ አትኮራም? በኢትዮጵያነቷ ታፍራለች ወይ? ምናምን እንደዚህ አይነት ጥያቄዎች አሉና መልስ እንድሰጥላት ስለፈለገች ነው። ምክንያቱም ብዙ ሰብስክራይበሮች አሏት አማርኛ ተናጋሪዎች ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ለነሱ በአማርኛ ምንድነው ማለት የምፈልገው? እሷ ሲጀምር ኢትዮጵያዊ አይደለችም፣ አሜሪካዊ ነች፣ የሀገር ልጅ ነች። ስለዚህ ለዛ ነው አማርኛ የማትናገረው። ተወልዳ ያደገች ልጅ ነች። ፕላስ ደግሞ ኢትዮጵያዊ አይደለችም፣ ቤተሰቦቿም ኢትዮጵያውያን አይደሉም፣ የሌላ ሀገር ሰዎች ናቸው። ሰው she don't speak Amharic አማርኛ የማትናገረው ለዛ ነው። ግን እያስተማርኳት ነው። ወደፊት አማርኛውን በደንብ አቀላጥፋ እንደምትናገር ተስፋ አደርጋለሁኝ። እንደውም በአማርኛ ምርጥ ቪዲዮ ሁለታችንም በአማርኛ እያወራን አሪፍ ቪዲዮ እንሰራለን። ፕላን አላት አማርኛ ቪዲዮ ለመስራት። ስለዚህ የዛን ሰዓት ታገኙናላችሁ ማለት ነው። አሁን የተመለሰ ይመስለኛል ጥያቄው። አመሰግናለሁ።
I'm full, guys.
Yeah, me too. So that's it for this video. If you like it, give us thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and leave the comment down below.
We'll see you in our next video.
Bye. That's it for this video.
Wait,
if you like it,
okay. I'm laughing.
Whatever. Finish?
Yeah.
That's it for this video. If you like it, give us thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and what the
Sorry.
Why?
Baka.